Today, we're diving into the topic of making your meetings more productive. But before we get started, let's ask ourselves an important question. Is this a meeting or a presentation? Sometimes we tend to confuse the two. If it's a meeting, it should involve discussion and collaboration among participants. But if it's just a presentation where one person does most of the talking, maybe there are alternative ways to communicate the information, such as through email or video. We also need to consider if the meeting is truly necessary. According to research, up to half of all meetings are deemed unnecessary or a waste of time. So ask yourself, would anything change if this meeting wasn't held? If not, maybe a simple email, chat, or phone call would be enough. All right, now that we've determined the necessity of a meeting, let's move on to the next step, defining its purpose. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of what the meeting aims to achieve. This ensures focus and productivity among participants. According to a study by Atlassian, 91% of professionals daydream during meetings. Yikes. This highlights the importance of keeping discussions relevant. So, how can we do that? Well, start by communicating the meeting's objective in the invitation. Let everyone know what you're hoping to accomplish. Additionally, provide an agenda to guide participants towards the desired outcomes. During the meeting, make sure someone is timekeeping and keeping things on track. If necessary, don't be afraid to cut people off politely if they're going off topic. This will help everyone stay focused and make the most of their time. Now, let's talk about who should be invited to your meetings. Streamlining your attendees can significantly improve productivity and save valuable time. So, consider the relevance of each individual's role and their contribution to the meeting's purpose. By including only those directly involved or affected, you can enhance efficiency and decision-making. Unnecessary attendees tend to hinder progress and lead to longer, less focused meetings. So be mindful of who you invite and ensure that everyone present has a valuable contribution to make. Trust me, your meetings will thank you. Okay, here's an eye-opening tip. If you know what you and your staff are paid, you can actually calculate the cost of a meeting. Let me explain. Imagine you have 5 people attending a meeting, and they're all paid $50 per hour. That means a 1-hour meeting costs $250. Now think about it, is that a good use of money? Or you can also look at it from a time perspective. If your company has 5 people in a meeting for 1 hour, that's 5 hours of time out of the 175 hours available this week. Is that a good use of time? By evaluating the cost of your meetings, you can better assess the value they bring and make informed decisions about when and how to schedule them. So, keep that in mind. Next up, let's talk about active participation in meetings. It's essential to engage all attendees and make sure their voices are heard. After all, if someone doesn't participate, they probably shouldn't be there. To promote active participation, create an environment where everyone feels encouraged to contribute. Ask questions, invite feedback, and provide opportunities for discussion. This not only ensures everyone's involvement but also helps generate new ideas and perspectives. Remember, a collaborative meeting is a productive meeting. All right, we're getting closer to mastering the art of productive meetings. At the end of each meeting, take just 5 minutes to perform an after-action review, or AAR for short. During this review, reflect on what went well during the meeting and what didn't go so smoothly. It's important to identify areas for improvement and take action steps for future meetings. By doing this, you promote continuous learning and enable your team to refine their meeting processes. Every meeting becomes an opportunity to improve the next one. Trust me, this tool is amazing and can make a huge difference in your meeting effectiveness. Last but not least, let's talk about clarifying action points and expectations after each meeting. It's crucial to ensure that everyone understands their assigned tasks and what's expected of them. At the end of the meeting, follow up with meeting minutes or a summary email that outlines the decisions made, assigned tasks, and deadlines. This not only promotes accountability but also provides a reference for future discussions. To take it a step further, make sure everyone repeats their action points out loud. This will help ensure that everyone is on the same page and minimize any confusion or misunderstandings. And that's it. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to making your meetings more productive and efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you know someone who might benefit from these tips, please forward this video to them. Thanks for watching.